So we saw this petition and we recognized that on the pro-nuclear side of the opinion spectrum, there's not an organized grassroots voice that's pulling together opinion and translating that into action. And so we created this petition. It's a boldly worded pro-nuclear petition that references the scientific consensus on the importance of nuclear energy in the fight against climate change and talks about some very Canadian things.
Thank you so much, Madam Speaker. I rise today to present petition E2962 on behalf of one of my Davenport residents, Christopher Kiefer.
For example, did you know Canada's reactors provide medical isotopes that sterilize 20 billion pieces of PPE every year? Or did you know that the Canadian nuclear sector employs about 60,000 people in high-paying, mostly union jobs?
This petition has received almost 6,000 signatures and has been duly certified.
Our supply chain is about 95% made in Canada, meaning every dollar spent on nuclear stays in our country.
The petition calls on the Government of Canada to uphold its commitments under the Paris Agreement by maintaining its CANDU nuclear reactor fleet in Canada and abroad, and to continue to support research and deployment of small modular reactors.
It's had a huge success. 5,784 Canadians signed on. It was just read on the House of Commons floor by MP Julie Dzerowic.
As Canada looks to fulfill our commitment to achieve net zero by 2050, we have to put all options on the table in order to reduce our emissions.
I was contacted by some other MPs from other parties that wished that they could have sponsored this petition. So just a really historic moment here in the pro-nuclear advocacy history of Canada. And we really hope that you'll come and be a part of it. As you're probably aware, when it comes to nuclear energy, there's a number of very well-resourced groups that are able to really project a strong message.
We don't need to invent anything new. We just need to stop wasting time with distractions like nuclear power.
On the pro-nuclear side, not so much. We can't forget that Ontario moved from being a filthy coal-fired grid to completely getting rid of coal through CANDU reactors, providing 90% of the energy to achieve what has been called the greatest greenhouse gas reduction in North America. This petition was a grassroots effort. It was not sponsored. We didn't pay to get it out to anybody. Canadians responded because they liked the message. If that message speaks to you, imagine what we can do with your support.